All right, let's talk about consumables for your FiveM server. Maybe you've used the aux-lib menu before. It's clean, right? But let's be honest. It wasn't exactly beautiful. Some of you probably thought the UI felt a bit clunky. I get it. We all want our items to feel as good as they work. But here's the deal. You don't have to settle anymore. I've taken things to the next level. I decided to revamp the whole system. Now, instead of just a basic menu, I've integrated the Consumables Creator into a sleek, user-friendly UI interface. It's simple, it's modern, and it's way easier to navigate. So why should you care? Well, creating consumables has never been easier or faster. No more frustration with complicated menus or configs. You're going to get exactly what you need, quickly and without a headache. Here's how it works. You'll have 4 core categories to choose from. First up, food. You know the drill. It's basic, but essential. Then, drinks, because hydration is key, right? Next, we've got alcohol, so your characters can get a little rowdy when the mood strikes. And finally, drugs. Yeah, you heard that right. We're bringing a whole new level to consumables. Let's dive deeper into that drugs category because, honestly, this is where things get fun. In this new update, you get 3 unique consumption methods. You're not limited to just one way of using them. You can choose between smoke it, if you want that classic vibe, snort it, for those who like things a little more intense, pop a pill, if that's your character's thing. And that's not all. You don't just create a generic drug. Nope. You also get to customize 8 different drug effects. Choose how it impacts your player, whether it's boosting energy, slowing them down, or messing with their senses. The possibilities? Endless. And for those of you who wanted images to be a part of this, well, I hear you. But here's the thing. This system isn't about adding models or complex visual assets. It's about making your items function, so your players can use them, no matter the scenario. We're talking usability. Now, let's get into the how. You don't need to dive into config files anymore. You don't need to write custom scripts or worry about setting things up manually. Forget about all that. With this new UI system, everything happens in-game. Here's how easy it is. You simply open the UI interface, and from there, you've got all the options you need. Pick your consumable, whether it's food, drink, alcohol, or drugs, and set it up just the way you want. You can specify how much hunger or thirst it'll reduce or increase. Adjust the stress levels. All of it is right there in front of you, and once everything looks good, just hit Create. That's it. You're done. And hey, if you make a mistake or change your mind, don't worry. You can delete the item in-game, as easily as you created it. It's seamless, quick, and simple. Now let's talk compatibility. Whether you're using QBCore, QBX, or ESX, this script works flawlessly. No need for custom tweaks, no breaking stuff, just plug it in, and you're good to go. So what does this mean for your server? It means your consumable system will finally look as good as it functions. It means your players will have a more immersive experience when using items, whether they're grabbing a snack, having a drink, or, indulging in some wild behaviors with drugs. You asked for a better UI. You wanted customization. You needed it to be easy. And now, it's here. So, what are you waiting for? Step up your server's gameplay. Give your players the best tools for the job, and watch as they dive into your world, using items that are easier than ever to create and use. This isn't just a consumables creator. It's a game changer for your server. Get yours today. You won't regret it.